Question 1. What is the use of microorganism in food? The correct answer is option D, all. Food bioprocessing, food preservation and probiotics. Question 2. Food produced by biological process is called. The correct answer is option B. Correct answer is option A, food bioprocessing. Question 3. Which microorganisms are commonly used in food biopreservation? The correct answer is option B. Lactic acid bacteria most commonly used in food biopreservation. Question 4. Which of the following antimicrobial released by lactic acid bacteria? The correct answer is option D, all. Hydrogen peroxide, lactic acid, acetic acid and peptide bacteriocin, which are the antimicrobial which released by lactic acid bacteria. Question 5. Question 5. What is the role of lactic acid bacteria in food biopreservation? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Prevent food from spoilage and inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms. Question 6. Which of the following microbes can grow under acid condition? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Yeast and mold are both grow under acid condition. And Vibrio chlorella prefer acidic alkaline condition for the growth. Question 7. Which antimicrobial substance present in milk? The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Lactinin and anticoliform factor, which are the antimicrobial substance present in milk. Question 8. Which of the following bacteria cause the food spoilage at low temperature? The correct answer is option B. Psychrophiles is a bacteria that cause the food spoilage at low temperature. Question 9. Example of psychrophiles. The correct answer is option D, all. Achromobacter, Flavobacterium and Micrococcus are the example of psychrophiles. Question number 10. Which of the following properties are not true about thermophilic bacteria? The correct answer is option D, used in food industry. The thermophilic bacteria grow at 45-degree temperature. They are spore former and Pseudomonas is an example of thermophilic bacteria. Question 11. Which microorganism grow at reduced concentration of molecular oxygen? The correct answer is option B, microaerophiles, which are microbes which grow at reduced concentration of molecular oxygen. Question 12. Which of the following are the traditional method for food preservation? The correct answer is option D, all. Salting, heating, canning are the traditional method for food preservation. Question 30. Which of the following are the industrial method for preservation of food? The correct answer is option D, all. Non-thermal plasma, high pressure food preservation, vacuum packing, which are the industrial method for preservation of food. Question 40. What is the advantage of dehydration method for food spoilage? The correct answer is option D, all. Require less storage place, less time consuming, not electricity required in dehydration method of food preservation. Question 50. Nitrates and nitrates are used for preservation of. The correct answer is option A, meats. Question 60. Which of the following is not a chemical changes caused by microorganism in food? The correct answer is option B, synthesis of protein, where degradation of lipid, pectin, hydrolysis and degradation of carbohydrate are the chemical changes caused by microorganism in foods. Question 17. Which of the following are the sign of spoilage of food? The correct answer is option D, all. Slimeness, discoloration, souring are the sign of spoilage food. 80. Which of the following microorganisms are responsible for spoilage of milk? The correct answer is option D, all. Flavobacterium, Clostridium, Proteus are the microorganisms which are responsible for spoilage of milk. Question 19. Pasteurization is the process of heating milk. The correct answer is below the boiling point. 20. What are the interesting factor for the microbial growth? The correct answer is option D, all. Oxidation, reduction potential, pH, moisture are the intrinsic factor for the microbial growth.